3, could you please approach the microphone? Finalist number 3, please approach the microphone. Finalist number 3, can't you hear me? Please approach the microphone.
Can't you see I already have a microphone? Hi.
Well, finalist
So
number
slow.
3, can't you see that no one would like to ask you a question? So let us all welcome a next person to ask you the question, and that's me.
Hi.
Okay. So, how would you like to be asked? Easy or difficult?
Of course, difficult. Thank you.
Oh, we're not yet finished. Finalist number 3,
Isa lang ang tanong nga, ba't pare-pareho?
are you in a hurry? We're not yet finished. You know what? You seem like you're an intelligent candidate.
Yes, I agree with you. I am a very intelligent person because I came from an exclusive school
Oh, really? Interesting. For girls?
for horse.
Oh. Could you please tell us what exclusive school this is?
Exclusive school.
What is the name of this exclusive school?
Exclusive school.
Could you please tell us the name of this exclusive school?
Paulit-ulit, exclusive nga! Mababang paraalan ng eksklusibo. Yung ganon.
Oh,
Ayan, ang islog.
there you go. There you go.
There you go. Kabayo. There you go.
Well, since here you are, when you were studying in that exclusive school, what was your favorite subject?
Oh, of course, English.
Ooh, English.
English.
Oh, English.
English. In our school, English.
Oh, English.
Yeah. Is it your school?
No, it's not my school.
Oh, stop it.
Okay.
Again, my favorite subject is English.
And what is a verb?
A verb is an animal that flies.
Wow.
Bakit?
I'm so sorry to tell you, but that's a bird.
O kasalanan mo yun. Hindi ka maganda magsalita. Hindi ko naintindihan. Kala ko bird.
Well, then let's
Sabihin
change
mo
the
pa.
subject. From English, what other subject is your favorite?
Sometimes science.
Oh, science.
Yes.
Could you please define science?
Science, it is the study of a systematized body of knowledge.
Oh,
I told you. You don't believe me.
impressive.
Yes, I am.
So, what are the different branches of science?
Branches. Ano to? Mall? SM? May Iloilo? Cebu? SM Manila? Ano to? Meron bang science San Lazaro? Science Cubao?
Let me give you an example. Biology. Another example, chemistry.
Branch biology. Ba't meron bang SM Biology?
Well, we also have rocket science.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Astronomy, yeah.
Oh, astronomy.
I love astronomy, yeah.
What is astronomy?
Astronomy, it is a branch of science that deals with the study of planets and the heavenly bodies.
Oh,
I told you, you didn't listen.
amazing. And
Yeah.
since we're talking about planets, what is your favorite planet?
Mercury.
Oh, Mercury. Why is it so?
Why so? Because Mercury, nakasisiguro, ang gamot ay laging bago. Thank you.
No, we're not yet finished.
Ano ba ito, quiz? Ang daming tanong.
Well,
Sa kanila, tigisa lang ang pair.
since you're doing very well, we have to proceed to your formal question.
Formal question? Ano to? Semi-formal kanina? Gown?
Exactly.
Alam.
So, why did you join in this contest?
Okay. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I joined this contest. Why did I? Thank you.
I like your answer, finalist number 3.
Yeah.
Since you gave a good answer, you have a bonus question.
Ano? Nanalo na ako? May bonus. Hindi
Well-
na natapos!
Well, here it is.
Where?
What is the weight of Jupiter multiplied by the length of the Crab Nebula in light years, please?
Oh, that was such an intelligent question. Keep it up.
Finalist number 3, I don't like your answer.
I don't like your question!
Well, you have no choice. Please move forward, and here's your final
Ala, hindi pa
question.
tapos. Ano ba, bandila na?
We're not yet finished. So, what do you think is your greatest contribution to the society today?
Okay, seriously, ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that my greatest contribution to the society is my education. Why? Because I believe that education is the strongest foundation of each and every powerful nation. And I believe that through education, we receive light. With that light, we receive hope. And with that hope, we pursue our dreams. And with those dreams, we foresee a brighter tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you very number 3, we're not yet finished. We're not yet finished. Finalist number 3.
No!
Finalist,
No
come
more!
in. Come in.
No!
Hey.
No more!
Okay, it's time to announce the winner.
Okay, go!
So, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Showtime International is Miss Venezuela.
Ikaw, dali! Tagal.
Miss Showtime Universe, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Colombia.
Ikaw!
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Showtime out of this world is Miss Lebanon. Vice Ganda.
I am beautiful, no matter what they say. No, I am beautiful in every single way. No, so don't you bring me down today. No matter what they do, no matter what they say. Hey, and everywhere we go, and everywhere we go. Hey, party, 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 party. So don't you bring me down today.
Si Vice, Clara Mea, an amazing girl. Sa 12 Harmony Chorale. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo, Vice. Vice, tama na, Vice. Tama na. Ay, tama na. Sandali.
Teka, baba. Teka lang, Ricky. Baba.
Ba yan?
Ayan na. Vice, gusto mo na magpasalamat sa mga
Yes.
kasama mo, tumulong.
Gusto mo nang
ka na.
magpahinga.
Sorry.
Bakit magpasalamat?
Sorry.
Ikaw umikot.
Sorry.
Sorry po.
Madali
Sorry po.
kayo eh.
Sorry.
Gusto kong magpasalamat sa tatay ko dahil sa kinaliitan niyang damit na ito. Hindi, thank you so much sa mga kaibigan ko tumulong sa akin gumawa nito. Si G, si AJ, si Michael, si Dwayne, maraming salamat. At si Orly, ang amazing Philippine Theater. At saka ang kasama ko laging choir, pangalan nyo? Ano?
Laging kasama, nilimutan yung mga.
25th Harmony. Ayan.
Harmony.
Maraming salamat. Thank you po.
Ayan, bongga ang iyong Miss Universe na production number.
Wala yun.
Okay, ngayon naman, tingnan natin ano